Bafana put on a brilliant performance against Namibia. Hello and welcome to Disky News. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and hit that like button for future uploads. Yeah, Bafana played against Namibia, who were without Peter Shalulile, but they played very well, to be honest. Namibia containing Bafana. Yeah, the score ended as 0-0, but it doesn't explain the full image of the game, because Bafana dominated every aspect of the game. They had 71 ball position, 14 shots at goal, and also 6 on target. Yeah, we had so many passes, also 644 passes. Yeah, we played very well. It was a friendly game, and players were on form, like Zakele Lepasa. They didn't even get in on the match. Yeah, Obas played very well. Even Saleng, this is the Saleng of last season. Yeah, Saleng played very well also. Yeah, Lebohang Motiba came back to the team, and he also came in the second half after 4 years without playing for the national team. So yeah, it was a good performance. Yeah, I think Hugo Bros was giving players who do not normally play. So yeah, I think, to be honest, it was a good game. I can't wait for the game on Tuesday. So let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of the performance, and how do you think we should approach the next game during the week? So let me hear your thoughts down below. See you next time.